guys, welcome back to another episode of the Randomly Happy Show. I'm Tim.
I'm Jim. I'm Andrew.
And today we're going to be talking about, it's the craze, the YouTube craze that's sweeping the nation. And everybody's doing videos on them, so I figured we need to too. I've got a good deal on these. 3 of them for 16 bucks. I gave each of them one, so we have one. Fidget spinner. Now I got these off of company bought them off of Amazon, but they come from a company named Phone Adapters. I recommend buying these. It's a legit company. Don't buy off the ones that says just launched. That says they're selling like the really good ones, like the skull and the crossbones. It says they're selling them for like $2 or $3. They're fake. You're not gonna get those. You have to buy the legit ones. It's expensive, and make sure the company's got positive reviews before you buy. So. They're fun, and most of the people you see in videos, they ask, are they allowed in schools? Well, where I'm from, Dickinson County in Virginia, yes, you can absolutely have these in school, all throughout school, every class. They don't take them away from you. Jim will tell you about, they even allow them during SOL, he'll tell you.
Yeah, I was taking one of my SOL tests, and they said there was like, we need everything, and then someone was like, what about our fidget? It was like, we need everything, and they was like, what about their little fidget spinners? I was like, nah, you can keep those, have to concentrate. So I was like, okay. I happened to forget mine that day, sadly. But some kid kept distracting me because he sat on top of his little computer, he'd spin it, and his was one of those ones that had LED lights in it. And I never got done with that SOL until he left. He was already done. I was on question 10. He left. It's a 60 question test. So yeah, we're allowed. Some of the teachers even have them. It's cray.
Go ahead and reach my phone.
Where's it at?
It's just right there. This is a smartphone, yeah.
Alright. Let me get behind the cam?
No, he's right here with you. See, we're kind of point the camera down a little bit for me.
Alright.
Or see this on the table. Can you see that?
Yep.
Can you see yours?
Yep.
You see Andrew's?
Yep.
Okay, so back over. There's a good spot for now. Now we're going to do basic, everybody does it, spin test. See how long they spin for, so let me get a stopwatch out. Now everybody just spin theirs as fast as they can. Ready? Go. Now these are your basic fidget spinners. I know you can only see my hands right now, if you want to see spin going on. It's your basic.
These are also minis.
Yeah, they're not as big as some, but they're handy because you can spin them right between your fingers, and they will go as fast, to spin fast. They won't hit nothing, get in the way, and then you can grab them by the other burns and flip them around. And different stuff.
I'm almost there.
None of flipping is hard. Andrews is about to stop. We're coming up on 1 minute. Jim is still going. Pretty good, actually. And just stopped at 1:06. I'm stopping at 1:10. I had one of these go up to 2 minutes, but I mean Jim's keeps going. It's actually going pretty good. I could probably got a better spin and whatnot, but some people like the ones that goes up to 4, 5, 6 minutes.
And just stop it.
It don't matter. It's the same while I'm talking. Or whatever. But most people like, they try to get the ones that go up 4, 5, 6 minutes. I really, as long as it just spins 30 seconds, I'd be fine with it. You're just fidgeting with it. Who's going to actually sit there and hold it in their hand for 6 minutes straight? 1 minute 53 on Jim. So who's going to actually sit there?
I wouldn't. I can tell you that. That's kind of
And do that and hold it for 6 minutes.
Exactly.
Jump on the desk is fine while you're doing your
And
work.
honestly, sometimes I don't even let mine spin for like 30 seconds. I like to do like that, and stop it, then that, then stop it, then back, then stop it, then that, and stop it. Usually I do it with my left hand when I'm writing. Like, I'll be focusing. Sometimes I'll give it a slight flick and just enough where you can kind of feel it moving like that. So you like, it ain't even really moving, just a slight flick.
And sometimes I'll just take it, well, but I'm going to get Jim to go behind the camera for a second. I'm going to try to do what few fidget tricks I know. And one, I can kind of do this between the hands, but it's kind of hard. I'll let him put the camera up just for a second. He was doing that with his mouth. And a lot of times I won't spin it like for hours. I'll just barely spin it, stop it, barely spin it.
Same.
Stop it, and then I'll just flick it in between. Or I'll just take it. Do that. There's so many different things to do with it. Now I've seen the fidget cubes, and I'm sure that helps people, but I'm not a cube person. It don't spin. I mean, it clicks. Clicking can get annoying. Spinning don't really make much noise. Andrew's just going hard as pain over here with his.
You good there, buddy?
So what I'm going to try is a double fidget pin. I've pulled this off once before. I take a fidget spinner. I take a pin that has a fidget spinner, yeah, like this. Take a pin that I'll put 3 skateboard bearings. These come out with old skateboard wheels because we thought we might use them to make another fidget spinner, but these don't roll. These are probably from a Walmart board, Kryptonic or something like that. They don't absolutely roll. They're not. So I'm gonna take my fidget, put it on the table. Put it on the table. Set this on top. Let me kind of adjust it a little bit to get it as straight as I can. Okay. I'm going to have to spin top. Double fidget spinner on a mechanical pencil. I have a stacking contest with this. I don't see nobody trying to stack them up how they can get them and spin them. And as you see me putting it together, and as you see the spells, this wasn't glued, connect, tape.
None of that. All original.
Just straight up bouncing. Next, I'm going to try a hand transfer. This is kind of tricky. Let me stand up. See if I can get it spinning and transfer to the other hand. No, I can do it like 1 out of every 10 tries. 1 or 2 out of every 10 or something. But had it been stopped. Dang it, I keep stopping on my finger.
There we go.
Yeah, I got it, just kind of fun. It's a little tricky. As you can tell, they're made to balance. Balance on anything and everything. And you might think you can get creative with these things. Andrew's just having a blast. Jim absolutely fell in love once I gave him his.
I did. I played with it right when he got it.
I played mine since I got mine. So you can balance these on just about everything. But I'm gonna tell you guys, whatever you do, to not balance one of these on your nipple. I tried it up here when I first got it. I thought it was a bright idea. Hey, you can balance it on anything. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun a few times, but the hairs got wrapped up in the bearing, and it's like, just don't do it. It jerks them out. It jerks them out.
I took the bearings out of mine. Doesn't really spin long, but it's a lot lighter. And like I like to take the bearings out of mine when I have them out, and just do like that, just around the. Yeah, that's what it looks like if you take the bearings out. Of course, you can also.
Stick it in your finger and like, woo!
Hey.
Ow!
Oh, I just got it on his nose.
That's right.
Can't really see because it looks like. Oh yeah, you can. Focused. You see that? Yeah. Sorry, I had to zoom in. I didn't mean to be nosy, but.
Oh. Fun. That was not a good one. Oh.
Oh, flash, flash, flash. Yes. These things are very.
Why would these things like do this? Just take
Me and
off.
Timmy was doing that on our bed. On
Well, they
my
make
bed.
ones that's just a round wheel. It looks like a wheel.
Have you seen the gear one? The gear one's really cool.
Yeah, and
Like
you can
all
like
different
take it
gears,
and spin it
maybe.
like that and let
I
it
have
go.
a question, guys. Will these things spin underwater? Where it has like the metal, like that? Like go stick it under, like don't spin it, stick it underwater, but like stick it underwater and just do like that. Would it make a vortex with the metal and the?
I don't think I've seen nobody on
Gravitational
YouTube
pull?
actually try that. So right now,
Let's fill up the
we're gonna
sink.
fill up the zinc. We're gonna fill up the zinc, and then we're going to put one of these under the water, and you will see as soon as we get the water filled up in the zinc. And we're back. As you can see, we got the zinc filled up, and we're going to use Andrew's fidget spinner, and we're going to do a little underwater footage with the GoPro. And we'll have Andrew like kind of film. I guess Jim will have to like lean over the middle, and Andrew come around the side. Oh, you're spraying.
Sorry. Okay, we're gonna do two tests. I'm gonna spin it and slowly lower it, see how that goes. Then we're going to spin it and just let it go, like above water, and just let it go. Then I think I said two tests. We're gonna do three tests. Spin it, lower it, spin it, drop it, underwater, spin it. There's three. All right.
And I will film the underwater part.
All right. Yeah, and he's gonna be filming the underwater part on our, our action camera that's waterproof.
And
GoPro?
Andrew's gonna film the first two with that camera.
Okay, first, flicking it. Let's get her good and balls. As you seen it with, and it kind of stopped. So now we're gonna flick it and drop it.
Not much, but
As you can see, it just went.
now let me get underwater and get set up here. Let me start filming. We'll
That's dangerous territory. Maybe you should take the bearings out.
Okay, now I'm gonna try to take the bearings out.
I did.
I just thought of that.
Take the middle one out, you can't spin it.
No, we didn't. I thought of that. Hope you know that, everyone. Those. Oh,
It stops it dead.
I told you that wouldn't work. But you never listened,
That
did
was
you?
your idea.
That was your idea. You said it yourself. You heard it. Jimmy Childers' idea, right there.
Burn as I can.
Good job.
And as you can see here, we call this a Fidget-O. It's an Oreo fidget. Many people don't know about
Try
it.
bite.
Oh, you don't know where that's been.
Tasty?
It's come from phone adapters.
Not really.
Okay.
Now what?
Now just like completely solid water.
Completely wall? Alright.
What are you doing? It's like a turbine.
Dude, just imagine. I just thought of this too. We're not going to do this, but you know, like, I forgot what I was about to say.
Nice.
That was a foul! I soaked
That
my
went.
Nice.
I soaked my shoe.
Nice. Oh, it's up there. No,
Just get it wet.
it fell. Good job.
So, that has been Fidget Spinning with the Random Win Haphazard Show. Please like and subscribe. And peace.
Later.